Hey, future millionaire. Today I want to talk about something close to my heart, spending time with your kids and family. As a busy parent, it can be easy to get caught up in the work and responsibilities, but I'm here to tell you that the best time freedom you can ever have is spending quality time with your loved ones. Think about it. When was the last time you had a family game night? Or went on a hike together. These moments are precious and create memories that will last forever. Not only that, but spending time with your kids and family helps build a stronger relationship and foster a sense of belonging. And let's not forget the benefits for your mental health. Taking a break from stresses of work and simply enjoying company of your loved ones can be incredibly therapeutic. It helps you recharge to refocus on what truly matters in life. So make it a priority to spend time with your kids and family. Whether it's a movie night, cooking together, or just a walk, this moment is priceless. Like us today, I'm teaching my kids riding in a bike, right? We are here in the school plaza, right? So it builds a strong foundation for their own future relationship. In conclusion, remember that the time is our most valuable resources. Don't waste on things that won't matter in the long run. Instead, invest in the people who matter most, your kids and family. Trust me, it's the best time you'll ever have. Do you want to learn how to have time freedom like me who is working 10 to 12 hours per day few months ago in New Zealand as a chef? So just comment freedom. This is Alan Mantaring from the beautiful country, Philippines. Earn more, work less, enjoy life. Let's go!